Hari Om, Namaskar, dear friends. On this auspicious day of Guru Purnima, we offer our gratitude, our reverence, our respect to the lineage of great sages and saints, rishis and munis, yogis and gurus and teachers. In English, we use various words to represent teachers. Could be mentors, could be guide, could be coaches, self-help gurus. But in the yogic tradition, they had specific names to represent teachers. One who provides all information is called an adhyapak. An adhyapak is one who has complete information on a particular subject. That's adhyapak. One who is able to combine that information and is able to share the information with one and all. That knowledge he has to share that information is called an upadhyay. Therefore, upadhyay is one who has the information, who also has the means to share that information with one and all. That's an upadhyay. And one who has an in-depth knowledge of a particular subject is called a pandit. Therefore, a pandit is one who has a thorough knowledge, thorough understanding of a particular subject. Then there is acharya. An acharya is one who is able to train the sishyas, the students, in a particular skill. They have the know-how to deal with them, to impart that knowledge to them. That is an acharya. Then drishta. A drishta is one who has a great view on a particular subject. They have a visionary approach towards life as such. That's a drishta. And finally, a guru. A guru is one who is able to awaken the knowledge in us. He's able to kindle the search for truth in us. That's the reason a guru is, the word guru is taken from two Sanskrit words, gu and ru, which means remover of ignorance, dispeller of darkness. A guru is one who brings in that knowledge. As a result, the darkness of ignorance is eradicated. The role of a guru in a seeker's life is predominant. And that's why we say any gift we give our guru can never equal their gift to us, which is evolution, which is transcendence, which is self-realization. They had worked on us. Their presence and relevance in our life is most important. So on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima, as spiritual seekers and as students of life, we offer our gratitude, our reverence, our respects to this great lineage of sages and saints, rishis and munis, yogis and gurus. Best wishes to all seekers.